Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to stake PRT. So to stake your PRT, first go ahead and head over to parrot.fi. Once you go to parrot.fi, go ahead and click connect wallet, click continue, then click the wallet that you want to connect. I'm going to be using Phantom, so I'm going to click on Phantom. Then enter password. Okay, so the wallet's been connected now. So after that, you can just go over to the vault, and then you can, in the search bar, you can type in PRT, and then you can find PRT. Then click on that. And so to stake, all you have to do is in the I want to deposit field, you have to type in any number that you want, and your maximum deposit is shown here. So for me, the max deposit is 3,977 parrot. So I'm just gonna deposit 10 PRT. So I'm gonna type in 10. And for the to mint field, if you just want to stake, you just leave it at 0. You don't change this field. If you change this field, there's a chance that you can get liquidated because we're not dealing with stable coins or an LP token for this vault. PRT is volatile, so there's chance for liquidation. So I'm just going to leave this field blank right now, and I'm going to click on mint. I'm going to click on approve. Okay, so I'm using a ledger, so I have to approve that. 1 second. Okay, I clicked on approve on my ledger. Okay, so it says mint successful, which means you've successfully staked 10 PRT, and you can go ahead and go to vaults and go to the PRT pie pair, and you can see that 10 PRT has been staked, and liquidation price is not applicable because you didn't mint anything. And that's about it.